What's going on, guys? So today we're gonna be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy S21 5G. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox. I don't know nothing about Samsung, but I think it's pretty cool. I've never had a Samsung phone before, but I do love this color, the gray or the purple. Did I just say gray? The gold and purple. And yeah, it's pretty cool. Now let's just start it up. It's basically the most easiest unboxing ever. And that's pretty much all you get. This, and then you get like a little USB-C cable. What is it? I don't think they send you any stickers or anything like that. Yeah, it's a USB-C to USB-C, unfortunately. I think that's about it. And yeah, you don't get stickers unlike Apple, but yeah, this is it, guys. This is a short video. Like I said, I'm not gonna get too in depth into it, but yeah, I hope this intelligent battery is worth it. I hope so. Alright, guys, so yeah, I will actually be doing another video on this, unboxing and applying this. So this is what I actually need for this phone. So I will see y'all later. Peace. Wait, one of them?